Hello everyone, this is Peter and welcome back to another episode of News Plus brought to you from Plus Agency. Plus Agency is a boutique agency located in the heart of Chatswood at 418 Victoria Avenue. We specialize in deals in Lower North Shore, Upper North Shore, CBD and part of Eastern Suburb. If you're interested in waterfront properties, if you're interested in getting yourself a really beautiful home in Sydney, please make sure you inquire with us at earliest convenience. You can always pay us a visit. Our display, which is the same address as well. Alright, a News Plus is a channel that's going to summarize what has happened in Sydney real estate market in the past 7 days. If you're interested in this type of content, please make sure to subscribe and forward the information to your friend. Today is Chinese New Year as well, so I'm just going to be here to congratulate to everyone. Happy New Year. For anyone that's interested in knowing more about Chinese community, more about Chinese buying behavior and what we can offer to the Chinese community, especially the Chinese New Year, please make sure you watch our WeChat channel as well as look up plusagency.com.au on the internet. Alright, with no further ado, let's get this week's News Plus started. Alright, first thing is dropping prices. Sydney real estate reality set to bite. So property prices in Sydney could peak towards the end of 2022 following a modest growth in the house values during the year. Everybody knows the house prices was going crazy back in 2021, 2020 when COVID first hit. Everybody think the market is going to drop dramatically. However, even though the Sydney median house value are about 52% higher than those in Melbourne, 190% higher than those in Perth, despite more stock coming onto the market in recent months, demand has slipped with the average number of engaged buyers per listing falling by 3.9% year on year. A lot of people are giving different type of forecasts. The Proper Track Director of Economy Research, reporter author Cameron Cruiser said the prices were likely to peak in late 2020 or early 2023, depending on a potential cash rate rise. Our view is that prices are still going to rise, but greater growth in the market is going to slow, which is what we see at the moment as well. The price is just right up there, but a lot of people who are in the market right now are actually swapping houses as well. So they sell something, they buy something. So if you can sell at a good price, they can pay good price for the next one. So we see how we go. A suburb with larger properties and more green space will remain popular. South of Sydney, the regions in the Hill District likely experience strong activities in year 2022. And we see whether these forecasts are real or not. Sydney's most tenant-friendly suburb, top 20 areas where rent won't hurt your wallet, has come up. There's been a lot of talk about rent recently. The rent is very, very important to majority of the people on the market. We did have quite a bit of a drop in rent prices when COVID hits, and now slowly everything just start to grow back. Let's see how these 20 suburbs are and then how much the median rent for these places are. Starting with houses, Ingleburn, Blacktown, Seven Hills and Oakhurst, they're all about rent around 400 something within about 35 kilometer radius from Sydney CBD. If you are a renter on the market trying to get something, making sure you take a look at these areas. If they're convenient for you, just get it done quickly because the rent prices are very high likely to come up. And later on in a different article, we're going to talk about the most expensive area to rent in Sydney as well as the cheapest unit that you can find in Sydney rental market. Alright, Sydney prestige property off strong start at starting point apartment sales for $20 million plus. Apartments are now getting hotter and hotter. Last year, it was all about houses. We think this year is going to be all about apartments. Starting strong, this particular 5-bedroom garden residence with 6 bathrooms and a 3-car garage and number 1/56 Yarrambar Road has cost $10.25 million at the end of 2018, which just before the COVID happens. Now it has sold substantially for more than the $20 million guide, which is already got. The market is strong as ever, especially the apartment market. Prestige apartment market are the strongest of the strongest. This home is like a house. It's beautiful. You can see the view. You have a lot of garden, outdoor space, harbor bridge, overlooking the water, overlooking the harbor, and with very modern design. A lot of renovations being done to this. $20 million price is just a good point to kickstart off the year. Next one, we'll just talk about the rent. So rent saw its fastest growth rate since the 2000s as housing shortages squeezed tenants. Tenants are being squeezed for higher rent amid ongoing house shortages, and a new renter could be forced to pay even more as the uptick in the overseas rise puts further pressure on the market. Given the current situation, rent are actually being increased week by week basis. A lot of the rental properties that was renting out for $650, $700, even myself had a property that was renting out for $690 a week last year, now has achieved a new placation at $850 a week very recently as well. So it's just amazing results to see what happens in the rental market. Most affordable suburb for renters, let's have a look. Still, Karama units $335 a week. Cabramatta units $336 a week. Fairfield units at $341 a week, and Canterville $343, and Willie Park at $347 a week. Those are the cheapest area you can rent in Sydney at the moment. And most expensive prices suburb for renters will be Vaucluse houses at $2,308 a week, Bogola Heights which is at $1,841 a week, Mossman houses $1,800 a week, Beverly Hills $1,800 a week, Rose Bay $1,768 a week. This is absolutely crazy prices, and see who is on the list, and let's see what the rent market will take us at amazing 2022. All right. Reports reviews top capital growth opportunity in regional New South Wales. Regional New South Wales has become very popular since the beginning of the COVID, and now has reached absolutely crazy peak. The summer of 2021-2022 price predictor index identified 172 locations with the right sales activity, attribute which report author and hotsporting.com.au Australian property analyst Terry Ryder believes offers good insights for predicting further price movements. The regional areas are getting a lot more attractions because of the COVID. People want to get separation, people want to live in a more open area, they want a more space requirements as well. We're gonna start to have some individual listings come out with Plus Agency, like a big island to be sold in Sydney area. So let's keep in mind that. I don't think there's any more argument. Let's just see how much the regional area can take us this year. All right, last news is Sydney auctions is back. Crown Swan's Epping houses sells for record $4.5 million. This is the number of crowd in there. It's like 250 people seeing the auction in Epping. 14 registered buyers and sold the house for $4.5 million in Epping. That is absolutely crazy and insane. Look at the number on the street. This is still an outbreak of COVID. We have like 20 people diagnosed with positive cases every day. People are still going to auctions. It's a brand new house. It's level land. It's everything homeowner needs. It's beautiful design from the facade. Inside is all top notch, but $4.5 million in Epping is absolutely insane. It was reported to be about $700,000 above the owner's expectations. With Sydney's auction market traditional coming to life after Australian Day, there were just 79 auctions for this week, but looks like it's gonna be more coming up as well. All right, before we go, Plus Agency listings, we got this beautiful home, which is still good time to snatch some bargains in the heart of CBD. She's now coming back here. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom property located on P Street. The building is a little bit dated. However, it's got a brand new timber floor goes in and brand new walls recently being painted. It's got a beautiful winter garden. It's a beautiful outlook as well. Even though you're in the city, you're not looking straight into the back of the building, which is very rare. The building itself comes with amenities, pool, spa, sauna, gym, everything you can think of in a high-end residence. On title, there's about 90 square meters on strata, and it comes with the car space as well. The auction guide is $750,000 only, and the auction is going to happen in about 3 weeks' time. So please keep tuned into Plus Agency's listings if you are looking for a bargain in the middle of CBD in Sydney. All right, that's it for everything today. Thank you very much. Happy New Year again to anyone who celebrates Lunar New Year's out there. I'll see you in the next episode of News Plus. This is Peter. Bye-bye.